If the carbonation power weakens, you might be out of gas. After pressing the button a few times, you should be able to see bubbles inside the water. Do you see bubbles? Looks like you are out of gas. More bubbles, please. How to change the Quick Connect cylinder. Pull the back cover from the top angled part. Raise the pink handle. Tilt the empty cylinder outwards and remove. Take the empty cylinder with you to exchange it against a full one. Make sure you replace it with a pink SodaStream Quick Connect cylinder, exclusive for the pink handle machines, and pay for the refill only. Remove the seal and cap from the full Quick Connect cylinder. Make sure that the carbonating bottle is not attached to the machine. Pull the back panel to remove. Raise the pink handle. Now angle the full cylinder and insert it into the holder, bottom first. Lower the pink handle. Replace the back panel. Place the tab into the hole and click into place. You're all set to create bubbles again. SodaStream Terra. Sparkle your water at a press of a button.